We look at the problem divided by dx of cot. We do this to see what we need to solve. This is our starting math sentence. We rewrite cot as cos divided by sin. We do this to change the form of the expression. This uses rule for how these functions work together. We write divided by dx of cos divided by sin. We do this to show the new version of our problem. The equal sign shows that both sides are the same. We prepare to use the quotient rule. We do this to find the derivative of fraction. The quotient rule is the math rule for finding the derivative when one function is divided by another. We name as cos and as sin, then we find their derivatives. We do this to get all the pieces ready for our rule. We use the rules that tell us how to change cos and sin. We put our pieces into the quotient rule formula. We do this to expand the expression using the parts we found. The rule says we take prime times minus times prime, all divided by squared. We group the negative sign with the top part of the fraction. We do this to make the next step easier. We can pull out negative sign from sin squared plus cos squared. We write the expression as negative of sin squared plus cos squared divided by sin squared. We do this to prepare for math rule. This helps us see the parts clearly. We use the rule that sin squared plus cos squared equals 1. We do this to change the top part of our fraction. This is standard identity in math. We replace the top part with negative 1. We do this to simplify the fraction. The rule says the group we found is equal to 1. We use the rule that 1 divided by sin squared equals CSC squared. We do this to change the fraction into single term. This uses the reciprocal rule for sine and cosecant. We write the final answer as negative CSC squared. We do this to show the finished solution. All steps are now complete.